Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Prachi and today I'm going to do an unboxing, and this one is Diamond Art Club's Chakra Lotus by Gorbash Varvara. Apologies if I have pronounced it wrong. So this one is a round drill diamond painting. You can tell this by the pink circle and a pink ribbon on the box. And a square drill diamond painting usually has a square blue square and a blue ribbon. And at the back and on the back of the box you have some instructions on how you can diamond paint and some information on the kit contents. So let's open up the box. So tell me, how is everyone doing? I hope you all are doing good. I had ordered this diamond painting as a pre-order and it was ordered on 9th of May and it got shipped on 8th of July and I received it on 19th of July. So it took about 11 days to be delivered from the date it got shipped. Now let's see what we have got. So this is a small sticker which has a image of the diamond painting, and you can put this sticker on your logbook or put it on the box to keep track of your stashed kits. And this is a basic toolkit. Let's see what we have in the toolkit. We have a pen, some baggies, 2 sets of heart-shaped pink wax, a squishy which goes on the pen for a nice grip while you diamond paint, a clear tray, and a 4-placer. We usually don't get tweezers in this as this is a round drill diamond painting. So this was the basic toolkit. Now let's open up the canvas and the drills. This is the legend which has the name Chakra Lotus by the author and start date and end date. So you can put in your start date and the end date when you start and you finish the diamond painting. And this is a round drill diamond painting and it is 56 centimeters by 50 centimeters. And here is the image. I can put up the image on the screen as well for a better look. And oh look, there are only 7 colors in this. This is the first diamond painting which I have seen that has only 7 colors, and it is 56 by 50 centimeters. And they come in the form of a pre-cut stickers where you need to just peel them and put them on your storage containers while you kit up. One thing special about this diamond painting is that it has glow in the dark diamonds. We'll take a look at them in a bit. This is a step-by-step instruction booklet. And also there is a discount code for your future purchases. And these are the diamonds. We'll take a look at them in some time. I'll keep them aside for now. Now let's take a look at the canvas. Let me just roll this other way and get the canvas flattened. This is a poured glue diamond painting. So usually you can tell that this is a poured glue by the clear plastic on the canvas. And if it would have been a double-sided adhesive canvas, there would have been an opaque cover on this, so that way you can tell the difference of a pot glue and the double-sided adhesive canvases. Definitely pot glue canvases are more easier to handle. So let's see what we have on the canvas first. At the top we have the branding which says "Do what makes you sparkle" with a tagline for Diamond Art Club, and this is the schematics with 7 colors. So you have the schematics at the top left corner and the bottom right corner here, and at the bottom of the canvas you have this small image which gives you the pasting area. So this is a full drill diamond painting with the name of the diamond painting and the size, that is 56 centimeters by 50 centimeters, and it is a licensed artwork. Diamond Art Club usually sells licensed artworks, and these are the social media links for Diamond Art Club. And this is the lifetime warranty seal for the Diamond Art Club, where Diamond Art Clubs gives you full guarantee of the drills as well as the canvas for your lifetime. So if anything happens to your drills or the canvas, Diamond Art Club takes entire responsibility of replacing them with the new ones. So here is the image. Isn't it beautiful? Let me just zoom you guys out so that you can see the entire image. So here, as per my knowledge, this painting represents a chakra, which are various focal points or referred to as energy centers of the body. This is the term used in meditation practices. There are mainly 7 chakras that run from your top of the head to the root of your body. There are 7 chakras that run along our spine, and the lotus here symbolizes purity. The moment I saw this painting, it felt so peaceful and calm, and thought to purchase this one. So I hope you guys also liked this painting. So let's see the drill area for this diamond painting. The drill area looks nice and clean with all the symbols looking pretty much very clear. And I'm really surprised by the thing that this has only 7 colors. Now let's take a look at the back of the canvas. The back of the canvas is nice and soft. It has kind of a velvety feel. And there are scalloped edges, so it prevents from fraying. So as I said, this diamond painting has a glow in the dark AB. So we will figure out where it goes after we take a look at the diamonds. Now let's measure the canvas and see if it's true to size. Usually Diamond Art Club's canvases are true to size, but let's just cross verify them. So this is a teeny bit of less than 56 centimeters, but that's okay. And this is also a teeny bit less than 50 centimeters, but that's okay. You can call it as true to size. Now let's take a look at the diamonds. So this diamond painting is going to have a lot of 310s. 939, 939. There are 2 bags of 939, 310, 310, 310, 310, 310. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of 310, 820, 820, 820. 3 bags of 820, 823, 823. 2 bags of 823. Nine nine five 3811. And this one is E3846, E3846. Two bags of E3846. And this one is glow in the dark. These are the glow in the dark diamonds. So let's see where they go on the canvas now. So E3846 has the symbol name E. So the E is all around the borders of the lotus here. This all is E. And I can see some E here as well. And some here and there we can see E. So wherever I pointed out E, there all it goes the glow in the dark diamonds. So what do you mean by glow in the dark? So when you switch off the light, it's going to glow. So only the diamonds with symbol E are going to glow. So just imagine the borders of the lotus and some parts here is going to glow in the dark. So I found this thing very exciting about this diamond painting, and I'm going to do this diamond painting as early as possible because I'm pretty much excited to do this. So just so that you guys know, I am an affiliate to Diamond Art Club, and I can put up the link for this diamond painting in the description box below. So when you use that link, I might get a little bit of commission out of it. So that is what I want you guys to know. So just to summarize, we have this beautiful canvas that came in the box, diamonds, an instruction booklet, legend, a small sticker, and a basic toolkit. That's it for today. If you have any questions, concerns, please put them down in the comment section below and I will get back as soon as possible. Also, if you have enjoyed watching this video, please consider giving thumbs up, and if you are not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for joining. See you soon. Bye bye.